The Red Magic 10 series will arrive on November 13th, bringing a couple of performance-focused smartphones. Best of all will be the Nubia Red Magic 10 Pro Plus, which just smashed the Antutu benchmarking record with a result of over 3 million. The device, model number NX789J, will have 24 GB RAM and 1 TB storage and will run Android 15 straight out of the gate. The current leader in our Antutu database is the Realme GT7 Pro, powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which will also power the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus. The benchmark breaks down performance data in 4 categories: CPU, GPU, memory, and user interface. We have to point out that the Adreno 830 is responsible for over a third of the result, with 1,251,000. The gaming brand will launch the Red Magic 10 Pro series with a new OLED panel by BOE with the narrowest bezels we have seen in the series. The panel will also have a higher resolution, up to 144 Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits peak brightness. The new Red Magic series is scheduled to launch on November 13th in China. An international launch should follow shortly after that.